right, testing, 1, 2, 3. Come for tell you why they gave them a gate. They're born this way, them say. But if they're born this way, well, they're born this way. They were created one way. Implanted one way. A direct test. Abstract. What is it, abstract? It's an abstract. Existing in thought or as an idea, but not having a physical or concrete existence. Relating to abstract art, consider theoretically or separately from something else. Extract or remove something. You can consider this theoretically from the research. Consider this theoretically or a summary of the contents of a book, article, or formal speech. So in this case, it would be a summary of the contents of the article. This is the abstract, which is the first thing in any scientific experiment. And let's summarize what the experiment is. In this particular experiment, we conducted a direct test of an immunological explanation of the finding that gay men have a greater number of older brothers than do heterosexual men. The explanation possess. What is possess? Because I don't even know what that means. And I'm not a scientist, I'm a researcher. Possess. Assume as a fact, put forward as a basis of argument. Okay. So assumes as fact that some mothers develop antibodies. Now, what's an antibody? A blonde protein produced in response to and counteracting what is it? A specific antigen, a blonde protein produced in response to and counteracting a specific antigen. Antibodies combine chemically with substances which the body recognizes as alien, such as bacteria, viruses, and foreign substances in the blood. So, an antibody. Some mothers develop antibodies against a male born protein, which is the Y-linked protein, which means boy. So some mothers are allergic to boys. And they'll probably have a miscarriage if they're having a boy. But we better go to stick to the facts. Altering brain structures, underlying sexual orientation, and their later born sons. Two Y-linked proteins important in brain development and neurology for Y-linked. Two were developed plasma from mothers of sons, about half of whom had a gay son, along with additional controls. When no sons were analyzed, and the results indicate that women have significantly higher levels of this protein than men. In addition, after statistically controlling for number of pregnancies, mothers of gay sons, particularly those with older brothers, had significantly higher levels than did the control samples of women, including mothers of heterosexual sons. The results suggest an association between a maternal immune response to the protein and subsequent sexual orientation in the offspring. So these are the groups A, B, C, D. Hmm. You see the correlation. All of them are on A in the woman, and then the men. Yeah, you see it. Graphs and charts, numbers and stuff, shades. This one is 50, this one is 65, this one is 85, and this one is almost 100. Next slide. Anybody can make rhyme or reason out of this. Typical interaction. Supposed to be like this, normal. This is when they don't like you. Blocked you. That means you're gonna be a gay. Okay. And it's your mammy fault. Mm-mm-mm. Like this, showing an abstract. This likely operates during prenatal life and not childhood.